Here we have a 2006 Larson 210LXI. It does have a trailer tongue that you could pull the pin on to make it shorter to fit in your garage. Walk through windshield. Has a Volvo Penta 5.0 liter, 597 hours. I'll go inside here. Does need a little seat work. I think the seats got a little ripped up from people climbing in the boat. Just in the back here. Couple spots. Has bolster driver and passenger seats. Rated for 10 people. Stereo, depth finder. Does have a bimini top. There's the passenger side. That's the bolster down. And the bow's in really good shape. We do offer financing. Walk through windshield. The cover is new. It has a new gimbal bearing. New trailer tires. Check this one out at SkipperBud's.